Hi besties, today we are finally installing my Boss Lady wigs. Yes, the pixie cut that makes me feel like I should be firing people and collecting resignation letters. So let's transform her together. First things first, let's lay down my natural hair. Okay, I have this chunky cornrow behind me because pixie cuts are not forgiving. Any little bumps and you'll be looking like you hit puff puff underneath your wig cap, and we don't want that. So let's lay her flat. In fact, the flatter, the better. Wig cap is down and secured, and the cornrows, they are laying flat. Now we are getting somewhere. Let's proceed. Now, this pixie has a snug fit, which I love, okay? Because that means no embarrassing slip off when I'm busy chasing my kids around the park or around the house, okay? Because Boss Lady cannot be caught sleeping. Literally. Wait! What is she? Oh my gosh! Like, this is already giving CEO vibes. It is already giving HR meeting. Already giving Somto, come to my office right now. Don't. And now I grab my wax stick. I am going to use it to push all these hairs backwards, okay? Because I do not need to cut the hair when I'm cutting the lace. I'm going to take my hot comb and brush these hairs backwards. Like, you need them laying flat behind your ears. Yes, let them up. This is not the time to let them loose, okay? Actually, let's get this hair down and tint the mousse. I do not want the accident that happened during my braided wig install to repeat itself again. So I have gone ahead to add my foundation to I added my foundation, the one that is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I added it into the tinting mousse, and look at that match. Don't play, okay? And if it is messy, if it is chaotic, it is me. It is probably me, okay? If you catch it messy, catch it chaotic, it is your star. But we are moving regardless. Now take a comb and brush it further back, like put it behind your ear, okay? Let that hair behind your ear and then adjust your ear. If the lace is longer than your ear area, we are probably going to be cutting it. So for easier cuts, I'm using a scissors and also an eyebrow razor. I find using these two easier for me. Some people would go ahead and use just scissors, but I do me, okay? First off, I cut a little bit behind my ear. Then I split into 3. You already know how I split. I split into 2, eyebrow to eyebrows, leaving the middle. Then I start cutting the middle. Never cut all at the same time, especially as a beginner like moi. Okay. Now I'm going to use my brow razor to cut in a zigzag motion. Never cut straight. Cut with a zigzag motion. Always, okay? So now I'm going to cut the center part, the middle part, and then throw that out. Then I'm going to cut the side part. Cut the left and then cut the right, or is it cut the right and then cut the left? Anyway, they start cutting in the thing now. I'm sure you get. Yeah, but please be careful. You don't want to cut yourself with this razor. God, my God, can you see that? Guys, the beauty of this wig, she is glueless. OMG, she's completely 100% glueless. What? At this point, it's just to let the hair down and go your way. No extra drama needed. I'm going to let this hair down so that you absorb the beauty of it. And And because I am extra, I am going to take my got-to-be spray. Actually, you don't even need a got-to-be spray to do this. You can literally just use your melting spray, and I kid you not, you are good to go. I'm going to just be spraying my ear areas, spray both sides, and then press it in so that it gets tacky. Now pump out my melting spray and use it for the middle part, for the center. And babes, before I see the lace melting away. Like, I see the lace disappearing. Your girl has never ever been this shocked. Like, this wig, she is already living her best life. No unnecessary coiling, no unnecessary straightening, nothing, no unnecessary hot tools. Just a little bit of lotion, a little bit of hair polish, a little bit of mousse, brush it or comb it, and you are good to go. I kid you not. Like, on a normal day, you don't need to do all these ones. This is just we are just giving it a lifetime styling. Like, after this one, every time I want to go out, I will just go to my stand, grab it, put it on my head, and I move. What? And now, to take this pixie cut to 1000%, of course, we have to give her baby hairs. Like, we have to give her those edges, because she is a baby girl already, but she needs this extra. And trust your girl to go all the way out. And my God, did you see that sharp? Did you see that sharpness? You see these side parts? It is sharp enough to cut through my problems. And this part, it is giving Michelle Obama in a Nollywood movie. What? What? No. Are you telling me you're not short? Don't play now. Stars, be honest. Be honest with me. Do I look like I should be firing people or hiring people? Let me know in the comments, okay? Stars, we have come to the end of our Boss Lady Wig install. I truly do hope that you enjoy watching this video today. Please do not forget to subscribe to join my little family. Give the video a big thumbs up and let me know if I should be firing or hiring. Mwah! Bye, my loves.